hope everybody's doing really good. It is another rainy day, and guess what? Yep, I'm out in the garden checking on some stuff. Today I'm not going to do much. I'm not going to walk. I just wanted to share my zinnias are blooming. They're beautiful. So I wanted to share that with you. And I've been picking some collard greens. I know you're not supposed to harvest in the rain, but I have a taste for collard greens and I want a small pot full of collard greens. So come join me. I've already started. Yeah, look at those collard greens. I'm pretty excited. My cabbage, everything is doing really good. This is my first year growing cabbage, so I'm really excited. And some of these cabbage leaves, I'm like, are you cabbage or are you collard greens? But it's cabbage. So I hope everybody's garden is growing. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals. I'm in the garden harvesting some collard greens because we're gonna make a pot full of collard greens with some smoked turkey wing. Keep watching. All right, so we can go ahead and turn the heat down because dinner is ready. Yes, that was easy. It only took about 20 to 25 minutes to prepare the collard greens. I like mine nice and tender. So I cook, as you can see, I cooked the smoked turkey wings first, just to kind of brown the onions, the garlic, and the wings, and it was perfect. By the time the greens were done in the pot, my wings was falling off the bones, and that's the way you want to cook it. Yeah, so see what happens when you have a rainy day? I fried up some chicken and homemade biscuits. Boy, my husband was happy. Yeah, because it's not every day that I fry chicken, so it was a nice little treat. And I thought I was recording the chicken part, but I guess I didn't, so I'll have to do another video later. Thank you for sticking around. I really appreciate all of you, yes, you, for coming back and watching my garden updates, watching my recipes. These are things that I enjoy cooking on a daily basis, and minus the chicken. I don't fry chicken all the time, maybe once every 6 months. But anyway, so thank you so much. If you haven't already, check out my cookbook playlist, check out my garden playlist. Lots of really good updates. I hope everybody's gardens are doing well. And I'm gonna go because the rain sounds so relaxing. Enjoy your day. Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. Blessings.